Karma is real. Follow back po. Sige, follow kita. Di tayo madamat sa follow back, guys, ha. Follow back ko kayong lahat. Why Philippines girl cute? Ay, beautiful pala. I don't know. It runs in the genes, in our genes. Sa gaganong namumula ba ako, guys? Namumula yung mukha ko. Init. Nilalamig ako eh. Hi, wonderful. Hi, wonderful. Hello, thank you, wonderful. Thank you, wonderful. Thank you so much for that. Thank you, guys. Thank you po. No, no words. Expert. Thank you, wonderful. Thank you. Thank you, guys. Hala. Cool. Thank you so much, wonderful. Thank you, thank you. Thank you, wonderful. Ala, si wonderful nagsisend, guys. Thank you so much po, guys. Taga Cebu. I am from Cebu City. Kantok naman. Anong name mo sa Facebook? Kiara Santos, guys. Kiara Santos po. I am Kiara Santos, guys. Ala. Thank you, wonderful. Thank you so much, you guys. Thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you po. Thank you, wonderful. Thank you, wonderful. Papa 5K mo na ba? Thank you so much. Thank you, guys. Thank you. Thank you, guys. Thank you so much. Thank you, guys. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you so Hi, ID 1099766099. Hi, guys. Hala, si Wonderful. Hala, Wonderful. You are so rich, Wonderful, ah. You are so rich. Ano nyo na ba, guys? Ipapakota nyo na ba ako? Thank you, wonderful. I feel so sick right now. I'm not. Okay, wonderful. Thank you po, guys. Namumula ba ako, guys? I think I'm sick. Wait lang, wait lang, guys. Wait lang. Please, don't scam me, guys. Please. Mag-end na rin ako ng live. Mag-end na ako, guys. Ilang, ano na ba tayo? Ilang oras na? Thank you, wonderful. I think I'm gonna cry because I really appreciate you and I'm so overwhelmed right now. Thank you so much, wonderful. Thank you. Thank you, guys. I think I'm sick talaga. Nahilo na ako. Thank you, wonderful. I really appreciate. You're new, right? Yes, wonderful. I am new. You watch my live later, okay? No. I did not eat. I'm diet, guys. Mamaya, kain ako. Thank you for the sushi. Wonderful. I'm full right now. Hey guys. Thank you. Thank you, wonderful, for the turkey. I'm so full right now. Like legit. Thank you for the milk tea. Thank you, wonderful. Thank you, guys. Thank you so much po. Ala, food box. Okay, go. Thank you, wonderful. I'll better luck next time. Thank you so much, wonderful. Thank you, wonderful. Thank you, guys. Talaga. Like, legit, I'm so thankful talaga, guys. Thank you, wonderful. Kahit may sakit ako, guys. Sige, thank you po. Thank you talaga, guys. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you po. Si Tabasco. Guys, sana hindi scam Tabasco ah. Safe pa dito magbigay ng GCash, guys. Ano sakit nyo po? Nice meeting you too. Wonderful. Ano sakit nyo po? Feeling ko nga, ano eh. Parang nilalagot. Hi, Renchi! Hi, guys. Kung lalag natin. Gaan mo sarili mo, bata ka pa. Thank you, guys. Thank you po. Your quota is what? My quota is 5K. um, nakaano na ako, guys, 3K, tas, ay, 1K pala. 1K tas 5K. Kailangan ko pa ng ano. Madami, hindi po pala. Malaki pa po pala yung nakalagay sa screen ko. Huwag na, guys, please. Naiya na ako sa inyo. I'm super shy. Takal pa ako eh. 1.69K pa ako. 5K pa yung ano dito. Ayan na ako, guys. Hi! Hi, Adonis King. Hi, guys. Ala, thank you, wonderful. Thank you, wonderful. Thank you so much, wonderful. Thank you, guys. Ala. Thank you, wonderful. I really appreciate that. Okay. You are so kind. I think I'm gonna cry. 1.5K na lang quota ka na. Hindi po. 5K pa po yung dito, pero oh, it takes time naman po if ano. Ganyan po talaga. Bago pa lang ako dito. Bago pa lang ako dito, guys. So, yun. Tis-tis lang. Wala naman pong madali. Ay, lobata rin ako eh. Parang po madali eh. Kakasimula mo lang, di ba? Yes po, kakasimula ko pa lang. Hi, Aquariano. Hello po. Hello, guys. Bom dia. Hey, Aquariano. Hello, guys. Opo, meron po. Yes po. Haha, mag-apply pa tayo bago pa lang. Uy, grabe ka, Renchi. Tatampo si Renchi, guys. Hindi Renchi kasi yung viewers ko, yun na lang may kapiki. Sorry na. Tawag ka na, Renchi, sa ano mo, sa OPK mo. Andun ako, present ako, te. Tinandaan ko yan, December 10. Huwag mag-alala, Renchi, okay? Hindi ako ganyan, guys. Tingnan mo, solo live na nga lang ako, din ako nagpipiki. Kala ko, grabe ka, Renchi, hindi naman ako famous, uy. Grabe kayo sa akin, hindi naman. Hindi pa nga famous, guys, eh. Si Renchi talaga, oh. Don't worry, sa OPK mo, I will be there. Thank you, wonderful. Thank you so much, wonderful. Thank you. I really appreciate you, wonderful. Like, legit. Antok na ako, guys. I want to sleep na. I want to rest because my throat is so sakit na. Love you, Wrench. My throat is super sakit na. Hi, Mr. Pangit. Sakit na yung aking throat. Ba't ganon? Guys, follow lang kayo, guys. Follow back ko kayo. Like, legit. Ito na ang throat ko, guys. Ano nangyayari sa akin? Ate, kumain ka na ba? Hindi pa nga po eh. Feeling ko may sakit ako, pero go lang. Go lang, guys. Ang sakit ng... Parang ako rin yung sisipunin. Rin ako ah. Parang sisipunin, guys. Ganyan. Guys, bakit ganun, guys? Sakit na talaga, guys. Legit na talaga. Bakit hindi ka na kumain? Mamaya po, after ng live ko, kakain ako. Once nakakota na ako, guys. Okay? Don't worry, guys. I'm fine. I'm fine, guys. I'm I'm fine, you guys. Okay? Kaya yung ano, don't worry po. Nag-stop naman ako, guys. Kung hindi na kaya eh. Kaya ko, guys. Okay po.